Welcome to Wolfe, Canmore, 707 Railway Avenue. Today we're looking at this beautiful 2016 Chevrolet Cruze LT, powered by the 1.4-liter turbocharged engine and made it up to the 6-speed automatic transmission. Once inside the interior of your LT Cruze, we do have the power windows, power mirrors, as well as power locks. Cruise control on your steering wheel there with your audio and dash controls. Only 28,880 kilometers on the odometer of the vehicle here. We do have the touch screen for your audio controls, heat and AC controls, traction control, automatic shifter knob, jet black interior with the cloth seating. On the exterior of the Cruze, we do have the 16-inch wheel and tire package with the Firestone tires on there. We do have the rear view camera as well, coming to the rear of the vehicle. Beautiful silver paint job, nice and clean. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-on video on this beautiful 2016 Chevrolet Cruze here at Wolfe, Canmore. If you're interested, please come down and see us here at 707 Railway Avenue, Canmore, Alberta.